In this video, we will be going over episode 3 of Beat the Fed. This is the dot-com bubble from 1998 to 2001. The player screen is the same as before. At the top, we can click on VIP. Here we can choose our new money allocations and our current investment allocations. At the bottom, we have our monetary policy slider. We can also click over to federal budget. The federal budget is more advanced in episode 3. Now we have control of income taxes, payroll taxes, and other taxes. If we increase taxes, our federal budget will increase. If we decrease taxes, our federal budget will decrease. Here we can run a surplus, balanced, or deficit. We can click over to spending. Here we can spend our federal budget. And lastly, we can click on legislation. We can click on any of the legislation to get their description and their impact on the economy. Our federal budget will appear in our missions throughout the episode.
You did it! 2 stars. Pretty good.
At the end of the episode, we will receive how many stars we achieved. We can view our bonuses. We can compare our stats to historical stats. And we can check on the leaderboards.